I'd like to talk to you today about serving legal documents. It's one of those assignments where people say to us, surely you're just a glorified postman. In defence of all process servers, it's not that easy. I'd like to explain it's not just turning up at a property and popping something through the letterbox. It's a skill set developed over many years of knowing how to deal with particular documents and how to deal with people. Here at Able, we serve documents from a 7-day letter right through to contentious matters like injunctions or antisocial behaviours. For example, you have a document. Can it go through the letterbox? Does it have to be personally served? What if I did pop it through the letterbox? And what if somebody else read it? Have you breached GDPR? What if you do your due diligence first and you speak to neighbours and you let slip that you have a contentious matter? Again, have you breached GDPR? Well, the answer to both those questions could be yes. What if you serve a document in a sealed envelope and that person claims that they never actually had that letter or they never opened it? They didn't know what it was. All these things and more need to be considered by your process server. It's a fine balancing act, but the more information that you, the client, can give the process server, the better they will be able to do the job. Therefore, here at Able, not only do we know about data protection and the law surrounding the data protection, but we understand CPR rules and we understand each and every document that you put forward to us. We understand how they've got to be served, if a letter of appointment can be sent out. If not, then how do we go about it? All the information that you can send us, the subject's telephone number, what type of car he drives, if you have the index number, or even better, if you have a photograph. All this adds to the benefit of the process server. So, can you serve the documents over telephone? Can you serve documents by social media? We've managed to get witness statements before a court and had them accepted by serving over telephone and social media. Obviously, this is a last resort. But if it's the only way we can contact the subject to get them served, it's an option open to us. Of course, we've got county court, we've got high court, and we've got magistrates' orders as well. And we understand all the process around these. Clients should always ensure, as we've said, that we've got all the information to us. That's why, with over 30 years legal experience in the investigation and enforcement sector, we believe we're best placed to be able to serve your documents. We can carry out the due diligence even before we've left the office with various databases available to us. So whether it's a 7-day letter or a more contentious matter or insolvency or anything antisocial behaviour, make sure that your process server has the experience, the understanding of CPR, and of course the correct insurance and is registered with the Data Protection Office. Because if they're not, some of it could come back on you. So, here at Able, we're always happy to take your questions. We're always happy to answer whatever we can. Don't forget, the telephone number is behind me, but if it does look a bit reversed, it's 0845 3707 401. We don't charge for advice. We're more than happy to discuss any of our services with you, right from process serving right through to traveller evictions and protester evictions. Have a great week. Hope you enjoy yourselves and try not to work too hard. Take care.